Shower's not that big, actually.
It's really not. We were smushed in there. And
Well, they wanted all this redone. They actually want us to do the tile now. At first, they didn't want to do the tile. They just wanted the shower repaired, and we got into it and tried to repair it.
and it was just gone.
So this started off a nightmare, and they wanted to just repair all of the tile, replace some of it with this PVC. But once we got into it, it was all falling apart. We were pulling in, just yanking stuff out with our hands. Tile, we didn't have to take any tools to it or anything. It just fell off.
There was no water barrier, nothing at all. We pulled the whole 2x4 out with our hands, like grabbed it and just ripped it in half with our hands.
Yep.
So it was rotten.
It was in bad shape.
There was no wire mesh left. We've got a piece of the old mesh here. This is actually metal mesh. So, and it's gone. There's nothing left of it. It's just completely rusted.
And there was nothing supporting it behind there. It was just onto the plaster.
It was rough. Well, we had to support the whole floor, the threshold underneath. Poured a new pan, again, because it's a custom size. We had to get it sloped right, and finally got all that good. This is a mosaic pattern.
Matches the walls. New sheetrock, everything on the inside with the mold and mildew resistant. Yeah.
We did try a new product. We had never tried this before. Turned out pretty good. It's just a panel system. We were going to do a drop-in kit, but it's an odd size, so we had to reframe everything, and they don't have any room in there anyway to go into. And then if we pushed it this way or this way more, then we'd go into the bathroom or the bedroom. So wasn't really anything we could do. So we was able to cut these down to size. They turned out nice, so
yeah,
they look really good. And then just for a little extra something, we had this left over.
We talked to the property manager, and
she liked the idea, so we just used what we had left over there.
Yeah. Now they're going to want us to come in, and now that they see how pretty this was, they want to take the tile up and put back in some LVP flooring like we did the other bathroom.